So I haven't lost my voice, but it's still really croaky. So yeah, Rue had an accident last night. That's why she's here, because she fell down our stairs, but she jumped through a banister and fell like vertical towards the wall. So that's vertical, horizontally along the wall, and then she hurt her back a bit, so we're just a bit worried about her, so that's why she's going to be up here with me, and lots of love for her today. Apart from that, I'm doing nothing today, just probably getting ready for college, which starts tomorrow, so yeah. So look up. Links to other channels down south. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.